Happy Monday, guys. Joe Drake here with the Axiom Academy, giving you guys your move of the week this week. Another great core exercise, the lateral plank with a leg lift, which I still believe is one of the sneakiest, hardest core exercises that I've found. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna set ourselves up into what would be a normal lateral plank position, which just to cue, elbow should be right under the shoulder. I'm pushing hard through that shoulder, keeping my hips up in the air. If I need to use that other hand to stabilize, that's fine. But that's our first part, right? So this is challenging enough. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to lift that leg, boom, right back down. So our first level is just gonna be lifting that leg up, trying to make sure our hips don't drop. And if you wanna add a little bit of additional challenge in, then you can dip those hips down in between, exhale, drive right back up, and that one's challenging. Great one for building some lateral stability, especially as we start to separate those legs. So try that one out and let us know how it goes.